The same thing, class in session, intro, and then I'll do a little talk about it or a little speech about it. All right, hold on. Yo, what up, world? This is Bboy Moy. Yo, what up, world? This is Bboy Moy with Break Free and classes in session. I'm gonna teach you guys a little bit. Today, we're gonna go over on taking a basic top rock step and really changing the dynamic of that step to create a stronger and much more powerful approach.
Let's do one more time.
Yeah.
This one we'll just do it like just smooth, cool, calm.
Oh, that wasn't smooth, cool, calm?
We're gonna do it again, but this time we're gonna do it good.
We're gonna focus on the basic top rock step known as Indian step and putting some more power and energy behind it as you attack some footwork, a go down, or some power moves. Alright, so I'm going to teach you guys a basic way to get powerful using a very basic top rock crossover step. If you watch the flare tutorial, I always start with this crossover step going this way. I make a big emphasis on putting that toe down and really extending that leg back out, right? This is really, really important because this is going to create the momentum of your dynamic in breaking, the way you approach breaking, right? So this step, make it as powerful as you can imagine it, because it can change the dynamic of your go down, it can change the dynamic of your power moves, it can change the dynamic of your freezes. For example, the step that is done, as we all know, is an Indian step, just looks just like this, right? But if you put a little bit more emphasis on it, I feel like it gains a little bit more energy and a little bit more presence, especially if you're about to attack the floor. So for example, if I go 1, 2, and I want to create a spin down, go down, just like that, it just becomes much more energetic, it looks much more powerful, rather than just going like that. So it is really important to really take that energy of that step and just take it to the next level.
Just like that.
And so that sets you up in the position to really attack the footwork, or if you want to take the same concept of that spin down and go to a freeze, you would do the exact same thing. Same thing, right? Crossover, pull, spin, freeze. Alright. See, you get where I'm going with this?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. You're still recording?
Yeah, it's been rolling.
So again, remember, your basic Indian step, as everybody does it, very fresh, very traditional, but when you start to put a little bit more energy behind it, it really creates a different dynamic as you attack the floor, right? So now, we went down to footwork, we went down to a freeze, let's take it to some power moves, right? So again, if I'm doing it just like this, it kind of looks like I'm practicing. You want to put some energy behind it, and then it really changes the dynamic of the movement. I wasn't expecting to do that, but I did it. There are my eyes. Alright, let me think. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe.